What the
Random
fuck?
fruit, guys. I'm gonna get it. Don't worry. Pika from a fucking vending machine. Calm down. I'm gonna give us all legendary fruits from a vending machine. Don't worry.
Give me a hawk.
I got enough for another vending machine.
I will hawk.
Who wants a Yuki?
Maybe me.
You want okay?
Just saying, bro. Two leg fruits
Wait,
from a damn vending machine.
Wait. I gotta heal me. Alright, let's get going.
I just started my recording, bro. This is so cooked. I was not expecting to get anything from a vending machine. Honestly, vending machine only fruits might be kind of.
Just pose the first seconds of my video in your video.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'll obviously credit you, no doubt. Okay, well.
I see 3 dudes.
But Madeline Glasses is fighting Jogo. I think we should wait.
Because if you do the grab on Dula and then M1s, you do like 80 M1 with the curse.
I was like, who's this one guy over here?
Kill Joker.
250 damage.
Hey, the Buddha.
Right,
That's who fucking stole my Buddha from earlier.
Ooh, he had the inverted spear. Yeah.
This might be kind of a go-to game, not gonna lie.
People right over there. Oh, I just say it, Dark. Guys, I just say it, Dark. There's people looking at us. Idiots, do something about it.
Hello.
We're trying to get in the car route.
Yeah, not happening.
Pro base of my 9 M1. Oh yeah, hoorah. Right, how is this guy not limping yet?
This guy, bro.
I'll help you soon. I'm just getting the Kura guy, but he's like half.
He's just running. VR players are weird.
Part 97. Frank.
Okay.
Oh shoot. You know what? Might as well kill the Kura guy while we're at it. Alright! Who's this guy? Who keeps pinging? Damn! Roger Finn, you just left that? Dang! Come on, catch up to him. My god! Oh, you're weird. You're stinky. You're stinky and weird.
You like dudes.
I just realized I was in full screen like the entire game. Oh, I'm so cooked!
What?
He killed himself.
Okay.
Yeah, only got one Geppo is probably gonna spawn on the war surface next to the land.
I already have
Which
Geppo.
it did. Maryland.
Buddha! When you do Buddha, I do this. Damn. When you do Buddha, I do light ray. Alright. Alright.
Can't fucking aim that move. Light kick.
This guy, bro, you're eventually gonna get.
Nice one. Buddy.
Oh, sheesh. Yo, he's also one.
What does this guy want? Okay.
I did something, guys.
So let me grip this guy.
He missed his
off.
M once. No. Okay, just.
Finally.
How much standards do you need?
Wait. Oh, yo. Oh, sheesh. Cancel out my move.
How does that even work?
Oh,
Don't
grab
get
some
that.
of it.
Ryan's dead. Total. W Goro. That took 100. What is he?
I had no fucking health potions, bro.
I got 5, but
It's a fucking death trap right here, bro. What?
what do you mean?
It's a war pool down there. It's fucking Snake King, no way back up, bro.
Fuck off.
Almost fell in the death trap. Ain't no way.
That
One this
Pika,
way.
bro. Oh my.
There's like a way up here, man. Come here. I'm mountain range.
Alright, then Ryan, that's his teammate. I am. That's a Bari. Everyone?
Buddy.
I'm just trying to drink my
suck.
potions, bruh.
Turret has been planted.
Just gonna go off the edge. What
Ah, it's funny as hell.
Yeah, yeah. You die with me.
No!
This
Come on. Yeah, yeah.
right, smart. Work ethic. Fight me. This Goro can. How did I get hit by that? Guys, can y'all
This
get the Goro?
Pika actually sucks.
I'm like on my last limb, alright? And protect me, guys. Protect me at all costs. As long as I just don't get hit by the arm, I think I'm good. Hit him. Yes, thank you. My buff did. Yo. This guy might be kind of goated, guys.
His ass.
Nah, bro. Okay.
GG's.
Alright.
GG's.
Vending machines might be a little too overpowered, bro.